Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking to build a successful online business? In this video, we'll give you the top tips and strategies to help you build a profitable online business that can provide you with financial freedom and flexibility. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Building a successful online business is a dream for many people, but it can be a challenging journey. With so many online businesses out there, it's hard to know where to start and what steps to take. In this video, we'll provide you with the guidance and tools you need to start and grow your online business. The first step to building a successful online business is to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What knowledge or skills do you have that can help people solve a problem or achieve a goal? By choosing a niche that you're passionate about, you'll be more motivated to work on your business and provide value to your audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a business plan. This plan should include your business goals, target audience, marketing strategies, revenue streams, and expenses. A business plan will help you stay organized and focused as you build your business. Your brand and website are essential to your online business. Your brand should be unique, memorable, and represent your business values. Your website should be user-friendly, informative, and visually appealing. Make sure to optimize your website for search engines so that people can easily find you online. One of the most important aspects of building a successful online business is creating quality content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media content, make sure to create content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your niche. To grow your online business, you need to build your audience and network. Use social media, email marketing, and other online platforms to reach your target audience and connect with other professionals in your niche. Attend conferences, webinars, and other events to network and learn from other business owners. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right mindset, strategies, and tools, you can turn your dream into a reality. We hope you found this video helpful, and we wish you all the best in your online business journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.